Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to add What's Up button on Shopify store. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to access shopify.com, and from here we need to access the Shopify App Store. In this case, at the bottom left of our screen, go ahead and click on settings. And from here, go to the section that says apps and sales channel. Now from here, click on Shopify App Store. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to install an app that actually supports WhatsApp, because the WhatsApp functionality is not readily available. So by default, you don't have that. So we need to install an app. So in this case, go to search apps, guides, and more. And from here, just type in WhatsApp, press and enter. And you should be able to see different applications or apps that you can install for you to start using the WhatsApp button. Now in this case, we'll be using WhatsApp button by ease. In this case, let's go and click on it. And from here, just click on the install button. Now from here, just confirm the installation. So let's go ahead and just click on the install button that you'll be seeing on your screen. And once you've done that, you should now have the WhatsApp button app in your store. Now you might need to change a few settings here. So in this case, you just need to follow these steps for you to properly set it up. In this case, you should be able to see the onboarding section here. So you have to check out the latest updates on button in WhatsApp button updates. So in this case, we also want to go to the settings section. Now in the settings section, what we need to do is we need to basically get us started. In this case, go ahead and enter your mobile number here. So in this case, I'm going to enter my mobile number, click on save and enable. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to basically do the following. Now we also have to enable the app embed for WhatsApp. So let's go ahead and enable that. From here, click on save at the top right here to save your changes. Once you've done that, we could go ahead and click on the exit at the top left of your screen. And from here, once you go back into settings, go to apps and sales channels and go to the WhatsApp button here. Click on open app. And from here, again, you might need to go to settings here. And from here, it is suggested that you basically edit it. So for example, pre-filled messages, the type here if you want to change what it's going to look like, the button text if you want to change that, and even the logo circle button here if you want to enable that, or agent circle button here. In this case, there's going to be a few customizations that you can do here. So in this case, you could go ahead and do that. In this case, once you actually visit your store here, let's go ahead and visit our store. But in this case, once you visit your store, typically at the bottom right of your screen, you should have the WhatsApp button. Now, as you can see at the bottom left, you have the chat with us button. Once you click on it, it should open up the WhatsApp app store or the app itself. In this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.